Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another organizing with me video, and this one is going to be, if you will, a little short because it has been such a busy few weeks for us. I just find that we're went from our old store onto our new store, which by the way is going to open in the next, like this week, by this weekend, and the physical products are going to be available. And I am burnt out to say the least. So the only thing that I managed to clean out this week is 2 drawers. But you know what? I think I touched this last week, is some weeks are just going to be a little crazier than others, right? A little more busy. And, we're coming up on the busy season, the holiday season. So that is probably going to get even busier. But I did 2 drawers, and that's 2 drawers less that I have to do later on. And one drawer had a bunch of chipboard and chipboard stickers. And that drawer, everything I think stayed in the same drawer. I just cleaned up the drawer, which I find that after being 8 years in my scrap room, a lot of it is, I did make the drawers back when I unpacked my boxes. I decided this was going to be a sticker. At first, it was just going to be word stickers, and I think it's still mostly word stickers. But this drawer here, I ended up finding like thickers and other types of embellishments, and I'm like, these don't belong in here. So at least I was able to take those out and put them where they belong. But another thing I did was, all these stickers are different shapes and sizes. Some are like short and wide, and other ones are maybe 3 inch by 6 inch, and other ones are really long. So I kind of put the same kind of stickers together, and then I'm just separating them in the drawer. And I find that really helps clean up the drawer, and I really like that. I really like that. Now I'm going to open these 2 drawers, and even though not a lot of stuff was taken out of them, I've just reorganized those drawers, and that feels really good. Now, I've had a question, and it was Lori that asked me. She said, Nicole, how big is your room and how many cubes and all those things. So while you watch me journal on my layouts, which by the way, that is the last thing that I did this week. I did 2 drawers and I journaled on about 25 or 30 layouts. So you know what? It's a win in my books. So let's talk about the dimensions of my room. My room is 13 feet wide by 24 feet long. It is an above garage type of situation. So right under me is the garage. My desk where you see me work, that desk is 4 feet wide by 10 feet long. In my desk, we built 28 of those recollections containers, and that's what my desk is built of. We did a 7-inch kind of little border on the bottom, like just with wood. And then we built the recollections on top of that. And the reason that we did that is because 3 recollections was too high. It was going to be too high for me. And 2 recollections was going to be too low. So then we built like a little podium, if you will, for the recollections, and my desk sits on top of that, and it's been there for 8 years and it has not moved, so it's working really well. And then my back wall, so that is where I had my 8.5 by 11 papers, and then I took all those out, and that's where I put my layouts that I need to journal on. That back wall has 27 recollections containers. Now, when I'm sitting at my desk and doing a page, so not this desk here, but with my blue mat behind me when I'm standing there, there is 40 of those recollections container. So quite a few of them build another like lower kind of desktop, but I don't use it as a desk. It just has a melamine sheet right over top, and I put my print. I have a printer on there, and a cutter, and I love that. Next to that, I have a handmade kitchen island or kitchen cupboard that my husband built when we were in our old house. That has 3 doors and 3 drawers. And those IKEA Alex drawers, they are different sizes and shape. I have 2 tall ones and I have 2 small ones that fit sort of underneath my desk. And then I have a wide one where it has like 5 drawers, and I have another printer on one of those. And then my journal desk, the desk that I'm on right here, it has 4 recollections container and one of those small IKEA drawers next to it. And then I have a melamine sheet on top of that, and that's, makes a desk. Those iris towers, I call them that because it fits iris containers. I have 5 of those that hold iris containers. 2 of them are under my big desk. Now, those big cube things from IKEA, I can't remember what they're called, but you can get them like 2x4, 3x4 or 5x5. I have a 5x5 one, and I have a 2x4 cube. I also have recollections containers with wheels, and I have 2 of those that have also 2 drawers, and I love those. I also have some Walmart closet organizers, 2 with doors and 1 with shelves. And I also have a 4x4 cube from Walmart, and that sits on my wall, and it holds a lot of my alphas in jars. And I have 4 Rascogs in my room. And I just tallied up how many recollections containers I have in this room. And I have 99. And actually, I didn't count the 2 that are on this desk here. I have one on the right of my desk and one on my left, and they're smaller. And they actually had those containers for the markers. I took those out of them, and now they're just sitting on my desk. So I actually have 101 recollections containers. So this was fun to do. So thank you so much, Lori, for your question. But that's going to complete it for today. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.